Welcome everyone. You've forgotten the PIN for your Google Pixel Fold or password. Don't worry, let's get this one removed. To make this easier, if you can, close the screen like this. So we're going to start by pressing and holding the power and volume up key for 10 seconds. So let's do this one now together. I'm going to start in 3, 2, 1. Press and hold power and volume up. Keep these two held down. Do not release your fingers from the screen. I'm going to start counting now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now release power and volume up. Now press and hold power and volume down. So we're now holding power and volume down. And keep these two held down until we see the Google logo. So this may hurt your hands. It's hurting my hands. Just keep these two held down. Don't release. If you release, you have to start from the beginning. So there we go. So we should see here this one, the fast boot mode, and you can now release. So what we need to do, the touchscreen won't work. We need to click volume up or volume down and then power to select. So we're going to click volume up and we're going to keep on clicking until we see the recovery mode here. So recovery mode is what we want. And we're going to click on the power button to select. Give this a couple of seconds here for the recovery mode to enter. So now we see the no command, and the command is you're going to hold the power button. So we're holding the power button. You're just going to click and release the volume up, and now we're in the Android recovery. Those wondering, both the outside and inside screen, you can see the recovery here. And so again, we're using the volume buttons to navigate, power to select. So I'm just going to click the volume down, and I'm going to keep on clicking until I see the wipe data / factory reset. And once I'm on there, I want to click the power button here. You're going to see this can't be undone. So I'm going to click the volume down, and then you're going to select the factory data reset. I'm not going to select this one. In fact, I am. I'm going to select this one. So you're going to see the formatting data here. Now, keep in mind, if you had a Google account, you will have to re-enter in the Google account details. And so now we see the data wipe complete. We can reboot the system like this. And now it's going to do the full factory reset. So you will need to wait for this one to complete. Your phone is going to be like it was brand new. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye-bye.